This is my Cappellacci and it's made with 3 different ancient grains flour. It was a little bit hard to actually nail it because it was a different type of dough, but the result was delicious. So you can see the rustic color, the really like the oatmeal flour together with the good minerals in it. I made amazing Cappellacci squared, really quite big size, so it can fill your plate just with 5 or 4. It could be enough, and it's important that you actually close it well, but the filling is what is precious. It's a recipe, a Sicilian recipe, which I turn into a pasta filling, Broccoletti pasta. I don't know if you ever heard of it, but it's super delicious. I can't wait now to see your delicious creations. If you need help with that, you know where to find me in the link in bio.